Hello friends, today in this video we will see that how we can create a vendor or a customer in Odoo. First of all, we just need to know that in Odoo we have a concept of a partner. So a vendor and a customer can be the partner in Odoo, and they have the same functionality that you can use any of the partner as a customer or vendor, so it's up to you. So now let's see that how we can create a vendor in Odoo. So in order to create a vendor in Odoo, you can either go into the accounting and go into the vendor and then create a vendor, or if you do not know the vendor navigation, you will just start typing vendor. So it will show you the vendor related menus. So I will first select it, vendor. So it will show me the Kanban view of vendors. Now if I want to create a new one, what I will need to do, I will just click here a new. So it will land me on a vendor page. So for example, if a vendor is a company, I will take it as a company, and if it is an individual, so I will select the individual. Once I select the individual, it will change some fields under that, and it will have the company name field available, that this individual belongs to which company. So I'm using this company just to give you the idea. So here I can say that service provider. I can select any of the existing vendor in a market, but if my vendor is not in a list, I can create my own. So I would say provider Karachi, and now I can give the address. Let me give any of the address, city maybe Karachi, and here I can provide the email address. I can provide the text ID. I can provide website. And I can provide the text that, for example, this is a consulting services vendor, so I can select here. And here under the contact and address page, we can provide different addresses of this vendor. And here we have a sale and purchase tab where we can provide sales related information and the purchase related information. Because we have the partner in a Odoo, so we can have the both of the functionality as of a vendor and as of a customer from the partner. So that's why here we have the sales and purchase tab where we can define sales related information and the purchase related information. So here we can select the salesperson, payment terms, delivery method and payment terms, payment method, receipt reminder, supplier currency, company ID, and other fields which are necessary for the vendor. Now we have the accounting tab where we can define a bank account for the vendor, and here we can define the receivable account and the payable account. So if this vendor is selected on a bill, it will take the chart of account from here, and if it is taken as in a invoice, so it will take the receivable account from here. Now we can provide some internal notes, and if there is a partner assignment option you have, then you can use this partner assignment, and if there is a membership, you can use this membership page as well. So once you provide all the information, what you need to do, you can just select save manually, so it will create a vendor in Odoo. Once this vendor is created, here you have an option to get the partner ledger, and if there is any bill against this vendor, you can find it here. If there is any invoicing, you can find the invoices here directly. So this is the way you can create a vendor in Odoo. So stay tuned with us for more videos.